People think when we talk about financial services, people think about, oh, that's the boring thing that I do when I go to my bank and I kind of get my health insurance.
Yeah.
Not at all.
No.
In fact, you probably remember actually that a couple of years ago, I think it was Andreessen Horowitz said in 10 years' time, every company will be a fintech company. We fundamentally disagree in the sense that in 10 years' time, no company will be a fintech company.
Because finance will be so embedded in
everywhere.
Everywhere. So you won't even see. So I don't even know what a bank is anymore.
Correct.
Or what a bank
and
does.
You want.
Yeah.
And you want. The fact that banks until today have been focusing on brand recognition. And I mean, honestly, you got, whether the dollar of loan that you get is from bank A or bank B, it makes no difference to you. The product is undistinguishable. The only differentiation is risk, the counterparty risk, and that's it. And when Uday was mentioning earlier on, you certainly don't wake up in the morning wanting a mortgage, do you? You want a house.
Good.
You want a house. And so the financial product is completely embedded in your desire. And ultimately, you're going to end up buying a house with staple to it, the mortgage, which will be priced on the spot. And you don't care who's providing it to you. Why would you care?